Good morning, class, and welcome to Vacation Hero. Today we're going to learn the specific behaviors that make up Norwegian's 21 service behaviors. In order to become vacation heroes, we must follow a specific code of behavior, and these behaviors are derived from our vision and our mission, our values of the company, and they make us who we are. These are behaviors that we must do if we expect to become vacation heroes. They're very important to us, so we're going to go over each one of them one at a time. Our first category, a hero is courteous and approachable. We want to be welcoming and demonstrate high energy, excitement, happiness to greet our guests. Not just the first day that they get on board, but every time that we see them. And this is how we do that. Team members are well-spoken, polite, and clear, using English at all times. English is the known language on board the vessel here, so we want to make sure that we are using English in all of our guest areas. If someone isn't speaking English, if they're speaking a different language, a guest may not feel comfortable enough to approach them to ask them the questions that they may have. Service behavior number 2. Team members proactively approach guests to greet them, offer help, and bid them farewell. We want to make sure that we are approaching those guests, not just sitting on the sidelines waiting for the guests to come to us. We want to approach them, say hello, ask if there's anything that we can help them with, and if they don't need anything, just a hello and goodbye would be great. Number 3, team members offer a warm, genuine smile to every guest they encounter, making eye contact. This is a very important one. We want to make sure that we're smiling when we're around the ship. We want to be approachable and smile to the guests, saying hello, making that eye contact so that they know we are recognizing them. In our next category, a hero knows each guest is unique. Every embarkation, there's another crowd of guests joining the ship. We may lose sight of the individual person, but they are the reason that we're here. They're the reason that we all have jobs, and they want to feel special. They want someone to make their cruise memorable. They want a vacation hero. They want someone to make them feel unique, so we follow these behaviors to make them feel unique. Number 4. Team members offer priority to guests in queues and give way when passing by a guest. We always want our guests at the front of the line. We always give way when they're passing by us. If you're coming back from ashore and there's a long line to join the ship, our guests always have priority. We never jump the line to get back on board. We always wait our turn in the back of the line. Number 5, when asked for directions, team members escort their guests to destinations, showing the way with an open hand, never pointing. We always want to take that extra minute just to show the guests to their destination instead of maybe giving some confusing directions that they may not be able to follow. They're not very familiar with our ship here, and this is our home, so we should be able to know how to get them around the ship if they need assistance. And number 6, team members use guest name whenever possible. That just goes that extra step and shows them that we are paying attention, that we recognize them every time that they come back. If you guys can remember their names, it just gives that extra touch to make them feel special, make them feel unique, and that you are paying attention and you remember them. So right now we're going to take a second and we're going to make each other feel unique and special, and we are going to introduce ourselves to the class. So if you can tell us your name and where you're from, what department that you work in, we can get to know one another and get ready for our classes for the rest of the week.